is the hot water tank. So the hot water tank is actually connected to a fresh water tank. So whenever you turn on the hot water, right like this, it automatically turns on. It starts taking the water from this tank into this tank, starts heating it up, and this actually has its own holder. So there's a nozzle. You simply turn the nozzle to turn on the hot water, and then you have hot water out of your hose or in the shower out here in the back. And you also have hot water up in the front with your sink. So I'll show you that. Right here you have cold and hot water. Turn on the hot water. Super nice. That is your hot water.